Zhengzhou SUNY Industry Company Limited, located in Henan, China, is a leading provider of wet wipe and cotton towel production solutions. With a 40,000 square meter facility, 300+ employees, and a 25-member R&D team, we offer customized services. Backed by 20 years of manufacturing and 13 years of export experience, our products are trusted in 60+ countries. From raw materials to equipment and finished products, we provide a one-stop service for efficiency, stability, and durability. Choose SUNY Industry to boost your productivity. Now, let us introduce our products and advantages in detail. Fully automatic wet wipes machine series. Whether you're targeting fast-moving consumer markets or diverse, customized product lines, SUNY Industries' fully automatic wet wipes machines are built to adapt. Our automatic twin roll machines, available in 12, 16, and 20-lane models, deliver multi-lane output in a single run. With a compact structure and accelerated speed beyond industry norms, they are ideal for mid to large-scale factories looking to expand quickly and efficiently. For large format production, our jumbo roll machines come in 6 and 12-lane configurations, designed for continuous operation with big parent rolls. They reduce manual roll changes and support long-hour production, perfect for high-load applications, such as baby care and household cleaning. This isn't just a machine, it's a complete, intelligent production line designed for performance, reliability, and ease of use. Portable cross-folding wet wipes machine, designed for flexibility, fast changeovers, and small batch production. From 4-side sealing machines to single sachet back sealing machines, and from 1 to 15 pieces packaging lines to 5 to 30 pieces mini trial lines, SUNY provides a complete system for portable wipe production. The spotlight goes to our 5 to 30 pieces dual function production line. This advanced system supports both standard multi-piece packs and compact trial packs, effortlessly switching formats with a quick changeover. With precise sheet counting, tidy folding, and secure sealing, it accommodates various film types and packaging styles. Its stable performance and rapid format switching make it ideal for short production runs, frequent product updates, and diverse SKUs. One machine, 2 formats, greater flexibility. Canister wet wipes production line. Canister wet wipes demand higher precision in dosing and more reliable sealing performance. SUNY's Canister wet wipes machine integrates pulling and folding, sheet counting and cutting, automatic rewinding, filling, and capping, delivering a seamless production flow from jumbo roll to finished packed product. With high filling accuracy and consistent performance, the line supports round cans, square jars, and other packaging types. It's ideal for large format wet wipes used in home cleaning, industrial disinfection, and institutional care. Efficiency starts with the details. SUNY Industry offers a full range of case opening, case sealing, packing, and palletizing machines, providing high efficiency and stable automation solutions for the final stages of your production line. Our case opening machine quickly and accurately positions and opens cardboard boxes. The case sealing machine automatically seals the boxes, keeping products secure. The packing machine offers adjustable packing speeds and tension, adapting to different product packaging needs. Finally, the palletizing system enables smart, one-click operation for product packing and palletizing, greatly reducing manual intervention and enhancing logistics efficiency. Alcohol pad production machine. As hygiene needs diversify, alcohol pads have become an increasingly essential and in-demand product. SUNY Industries' alcohol pad production machine is designed for high-speed, high-standard manufacturing. From cutting, folding, liquid filling, and sealing to final packaging, the entire line is fully automated. It ensures consistent liquid dosing, firm sealing, and reliable performance, ideal for medical disinfection, personal care, and electronic cleaning. The system supports various sizes and materials and is adaptable to multiple packaging formats. It's the smart solution for large-scale production in pharmaceutical, healthcare, and e-commerce industries. Cotton Soft Wipes production line. The perfect balance of softness and efficiency. SUNY Industries Cotton Soft Wipes production line is designed to meet the high-end market's diverse needs. Whether it's bottom pull wipes or top pull wipes, both products are made with precision and reliable quality. Both models offer high efficiency, low failure rates, and high adaptability, ensuring stable production across various wipe specifications and packaging types. With its intelligent control system, precise measurement, and high production efficiency, this line brings an unprecedented level of quality assurance to cotton soft wipe manufacturing. At SUNY Industry, we don't just deliver high-quality wet wipe production lines. We focus on refining every detail to perfection. Our state-of-the-art factory and precision machining areas are equipped with advanced production technology, ensuring strict quality control at every stage, from design to manufacturing. With over 20 years of industry experience and a robust R&D team, we are committed to providing highly competitive, customized solutions for our clients. Our global clients have already validated our strength. From personal care to medical and high-end home cleaning sectors, customers' positive feedback continues to flow in. Many clients who have visited our factory have said, SUNY Industry is our most trusted partner. We warmly welcome your visit to learn more about our products and discuss potential cooperation. Feel free to reach out to us anytime. We look forward to partnering with you.